Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today I am going to present the topic gender role. Our society has a set of ideas about how we expect men and women to dress, behave and present themselves. If somebody deviates from this template behavior made by society considered as his or her behavior is inappropriate. Why it is considered the behavior as inappropriate? It is because of the influence of gender role made by the society. In this video, I am explaining what is gender role, types of gender role, and how we learn these gender roles. The term gender role was first coined by John Money in 1955. It is the allocation of different roles and responsibilities task to men and women based on the societal idea of what men and women should do. It is constructed by the society. So we can say that it is a set of behaviors. These behavior are set by or assigned by the society based on the gender or the sex. The behavior of men and women that are considered socially appropriate are called as gender roles. The socially appropriate behavior are called as gender roles. How a particular behavior is socially appropriate? Society already makes some appropriate behavior and assign to each gender. If somebody deviate from that particular behavior, his or her behavior considered as inappropriate. So gender roles are considered socially appropriate behavior of men and women. It is also known as sex role because the gender roles are assigned by the society to us based on our sex or biological sex. It is a social role encompassing a range of behaviors, attitude, and generally considered as acceptable, appropriate, or desirable for a person based on that person's biological or perceived sex. Gender roles in society also means how we are expected to act, speak, dress, groom, and conduct ourselves based upon our assigned sex. For example, girls and women are generally expected to dress in typically feminine ways. That feminine ways are designed by the society, and the woman should be polite, accommodating, and nurturing. Whereas men are generally expected to be strong, aggressive, and bold. Every society, ethnic group, and culture has gender role expectations, but they can be very different from group to group. They can also change in the same society over time. The gender roles are usually centered on conceptions of masculinity and femininity, although there are exceptions and variations. The specifics regarding these gendered expectations may vary substantially among the cultures, while other characteristics may be common throughout the range of cultures. There may be some differences in gender roles based on the culture or the society, but we can see that some common characteristics in all these societies. The next one, types of gender roles. In most of the societies, woman undertakes triple role like reproductive role, productive role, and community managing activity role. Reproductive role includes childbearing and rearing responsibilities. And also, The care and maintenance of the workforce and the future workforce. Workforce means male partner and working children, and the future workforce means infants and school going children. Productive role is the work done by men and women for pay in cash or kind. Community managing role is the activity undertaken by women at the community level, and it is considered as voluntary and unpaid work. Now, another one is community politics role. It is activities undertaken by men at the community level. It is an organized formal activity within the framework of formal community level and also within the framework of national politics. It is usually a paid work, either directly or indirectly, or to the status or power. Men primarily undertakes two roles, productive and community politics activity role. And how these gender roles are learned. Gender roles are passed on through generations. From the age of 3 itself, children are able to start becoming aware of the difference between girls and boys based on the actions of parents and the nature of their environment. As the children grow a few years, they start learning what behavior is appropriate and expected. The behavior is reinforced when the parents praise or reward their children for their actions. They can also punish and challenge to change if it is considered inappropriate. Thank you for watching this video.